Waza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly engadala ngagcina la kwa TikTok. Yo. But today ngithe angeke ngithule. Because I'm still in awe with what the SIU has revealed ukuthi what is happening at Mbisa Hospital wafethu. Yo. It's so scary. Hey, it's so scary, guys. And come to think of it ukuthi abantu ababalwayo lapha kuthiwa is the big five, ne? Which includes abo Keti, abo TK, Mulifi, Mazibuko, I don't know Mazibuko, there's Boma, Moken Maumela, but nephew ka baba wenkomo. And this nephew ka baba wenkomo engathi uyohamba phambili. And the sad part, guys, ukuthi imedia se South Africa yasijwayeza that thingy, the spider web, nekhumbula mos spider web. So, but these days we don't see that. It's Stellenbosch media kanti senza kanjani. Like, are there people abafanelwe ile spider web kona ngabafana? Because if you can check seriously, go back, you will see most of the people during the 9 wasted years obekuthiwa bayenza corruption, there was this spider web, but now we don't see it, you know. So kusho ukuthi siyakhetha le spider web. But ke what I see here ukuthi maybe because the spider web babesenza kakhulu kuma politicians la kwakuthiwa corrupt. So I guess maybe now because these are business people and dangerous ones, a lot of people ababizwa ngama whistleblowers, they were taken out by these cartels. So probably people are afraid to talk or to even do their work, like I'm a journalist as a Stellenbosch, or maybe Vele Stellenbosch. It's all about this, because even the people that they were doing those spider webs for were never arrested. It was just them saying whatever that they were saying, but there was no evidence. So we don't know, guys. Like, but mina I'm touched ukuthi these people but dangerous laba tunizwile laba bayenza even but even Stormen benefited there. A lot of people, thousands benefited. It was a syndicate, that thing. Ubani unomsebenzi wakhe, ubani unomsebenzi wakhe, and iyadliwa nje le mali. It's not like unomsebenzi ozoyenziwa bazothi kune uzofakwa ama-purchase orders maybe for something up to 500,000 uyabo, because lapho it won't go to tender ngithi 500,000 less uyabo, and then for ama-purchase order and then approved, and then imali yangena kanjalo uyabo, and then they share. Bayashare, akunamsebenzi owenziwe lapha. Bafethu kunzima. Yazi ngiyahleka ngoba phela mina niyangazi ngithandela ukuhleka, but le akusinto yokuhlekwa, because a lot has happened in that hospital. A lot has happened. Upapita Dekora nezozoveza leyato ka 850 million akayistopha nayo. A lot has happened ever since. You know, these people, they killed Papita and they didn't care ukuthi now this thing is out in the open. They continue to do their thing. So it's so sad ukuthi abantu, they can do criminality like this without even having an inch, just a smaller nyana nembeza. Hi guys, no man, South Africa. Hi bafethu ngeke bafethu. And you always make noise for izinto that is even difficult to prove ukuthi zenzekile. But when it's time to make real noise, yabona manje, you are supposed to be making noise, guys. Yabona njengoba kuthiwa there is a big five la South Africa, ekuhama drug cartels are serious, and then these people buy syndicate yokwenza each and everything that will rake money towards them. They can even kill you if kuthiwa uyabaphazamisa la. Hey bafethu, hayi bafethu, hayi ngeke. So now ila kumele nibange khona umsindo ke manje. Nisibangela umsindo ngezinto that you couldn't prove. This thing iyavela kancane kancane kuloko iyavela kuthiwa Mawumela, kuthiwa Katiso, kuthiwa Kate Matlala. Lokhu kubizwa lamagama nje. Wonke umuntu mayikhuluma njengoba bekhuluma namhlanje uKhumalo na yavela uKate Matlala, yavela uMlifi. Yabona lento le bafethu bangani umsindo ke manje. Yabona the time we were making noise, that noise was unnecessary. When we were saying somebody, now is the time. Now is the time. Or you only do that when you are given money. To know somebody must fall. So here's the man. Make sure that somebody falls. If there's no money, then you will not make noise. This is the time to make noise, guys. This is the time. Tembisa Hospital is in the map right now. And I'm sure a lot more is coming. Because even that 2 billion that is counted there, Uguti has been siphoned. It can happen ukuthi there's more, because this is an interim report. Yo bafethu, hayi mina bafethu ngisashaqekile le yanto. Sashe ukuthi abantu kani ba busy, nina nilokhu ngibhizi nisitshela ngo state capture abangekho kanti nifihla ubugebengu obenziwa ngapha. Hey. Ha!